Hello viewers, today I'm going to share the process of building experimental OpenCore Legacy Patcher and will share download link with you. Some of you already tried to download from GitHub and saw that download links are not available, so let's build one for ourselves. To start building it from source, we will need Python and Git installed on our system. I don't have it installed yet, so when I'll try to run Python it will ask me to install Xcode command tools. It will take some time for Xcode command tools to be installed. Let's leave it to be installed on background. Now let's create a folder on desktop to store source files. As you can see, I can't run git clone command as well, as command line tools not installed yet. So let's just wait for command tools to be installed. Meanwhile we can install Python directly from its website. We can't download and install Git from its site directly, so we need to wait for command line tools, or we can go ahead and download the source file directly without using Git. Python is downloaded, let's install it first. Now let's download the OpenCore Legacy Patcher source files directly as zip file. Source files downloaded, now let's extract them and copy to our previously created folder. Now we need to open terminal and change directory to that same folder. We can see the source files here. We need to run pip install command to install requirements from requirements.txt file. Requirements installed, now we need to run build command to build OpenCore Patcher app. It will download required files and build app, which will take some time. Let's fast forward. Build is failed, as command line tools are not installed yet. Let's wait for it to install and run build command again. Command line tools installed, now let's run build command again. Build is complete. You can find the app files in distribution folder. I'll upload these files and share link in video description. You can use them or build yourself from source if you want. App is working correctly. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please press like button. If my videos helped you with something, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.